Today we are about to do the dash suede for the first time. I do not know what I'm doing. Basically, I'm covering the whole dash with suede. I got it online, you know. So all you gotta do is peel it off and it's already sticky. I don't have to spray that adhesive on it so it can stick on there. Alright, so I'm gonna try to do it without removing the dash. Okay, so I'm gonna try to, I have to remove like the steering wheel, the cluster I want to remove, the whole radio, and the glove box. Yeah, the glove box had to come off too. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do it with those off. Oh yeah, with the vents too, both sides off. That's how I'm gonna try to do it. It's gonna be my first time, so it's what it is. But I'm gonna try it though. You know, as well. When I do it again, we'll see, because we'll see how it goes. So let me show you the dash. Okay, as you see this ugly thing, you see how ugly it is, and it's cracking here. You see that? Yeah, so I want that to be covered. I got the suede, as you see, it's the suede, just like over here. I did it over here. It's not that bad. Alright, this is how it's gonna be, but on the dash. And I might do this too. It's good for the sun too, so it doesn't have to make it worse, the crack. Okay, so these have to come off. The pillars, both sides, has to come off. The vents have to come off. I'm not really gonna show you how to do that because I have a video how to remove the whole dash. So I'm gonna just remove everything and I'm gonna show you how to basically just put the vinyl on. Alright, so since it's my first time, hopefully it goes right. Alright, let me remove all these stuff out the way, then we'll put the vinyl on. Okay, as you see, this is how I want it to be, so I could start this process. I'ma clean this off. There's some dust on there because it's some dust on there, mad dirt, so I'm gonna clean that off. So I'm gonna just cut it. I'm gonna just wrap it to like probably here. I'm not gonna wrap this whole thing because you can't really see that because the whole cluster gonna be in front of it. So I'm gonna probably do like here, you know, and yeah, pretty much. So now I'm gonna take off these right here for the sensor, for the DRLs. Do both sides. So you have to do that one if you're going that far. If you're not going that far, then you don't have to take this off, but I'm gonna try and get inside here as much as I can. All right, if you want this like professional looking, take the whole dash out. I'm not trying to do that, so let's continue with this. Oh yeah, for the glove box, I didn't take it off. I just removed the screws that's up here, the 4 screws up here, and I just pulled it off, so I don't have to do all that work. I'm gonna just put it like here, the wrap, and just put this over. Okay, so now I'm gonna clean this off so we can begin. I'm gonna zip tie this up so it's not in my way. All right, I probably don't have to do that. Maybe just tuck this in over here. Okay, yeah, let me zip tie this. All right, so I'm gonna use this to remove the stains. Use anything else. Probably use a window cleaner. You could do whatever. You could use the actual interior cleaner. I do not have that, so I'm gonna just use this since it's what I have. All right. So I'm gonna just take this and just spray over here. Probably a little too much, but whatever. Just clean it up. Okay. All right, let me do this. Let me finish this up. Make sure you remove the speaker shield, whatever you want to call it. It just pops right out. Just get a flat head and just go in there and just pop this out. Okay, and that's your speaker. Speaker, tweeter, whatever you want to call it. All right. Definitely gonna need that off if you want to wrap this whole thing. All right, so let's continue. Okay, as you see, I'm laying down the vinyl. Make sure this thing goes in there smooth. Okay. I'm gonna have to cut. I'm gonna get a fresh blade so I can cut this. You know, I eyeball it so I can cut it good. Hopefully this is long enough to fit. All right, should be long enough. So I got a pretty wide one. So, all right, let me try to fit this thing on and try to cut it. All right, I put the thing on there. As you see, it's like going on an angle, which is weird. So I'm gonna try to do my best to make it fit. Probably won't be as perfect, but I make this stick over here. I put this down. As you see, I peeled it off back so I could stick over here, so I could have, like, you know, where this thing's gonna stay at. So here I'm gonna have to take an extra piece and just put it here. Gonna look a little ghetto, but hey, this thing's not fitting. Like, maybe if the whole thing was off, it would be better to put on because it's out. But we have it on. It's gonna be extra work. All right, so let me see if I could make this. If I can make this here, make it stretch here, that would be good. But let me try. All right, so I attempted. This is gonna be a mother to put on. So I'm gonna take off the whole dash because there's no way I'm gonna have patience to do this with this on. So I'm gonna take off the whole dash, man, because it would be much easier for me. All right, so I have to drop the glove box. Let's take these out, and I'm gonna try to take it off with this on there still. Cause damn, yo, the vinyl is too sticky. I can't even get inside there. Like, it's crazy. But anyways, let's take these off, man. Let's take these off. Okay, the dash is out, as you see. Cause I was not doing it with the dash on. I thought it was gonna be type easy, but nope. So I took it out. Now I have to clean over here these edges and put the wrap on. All right, same spray. I'll wipe that down, and yeah, get the heat gun. I got it on here. I put a crate right there so I can hold it up. Now let's get the vinyl, wrap, and put it on top. As you see, I kind of messed up. You see, I took this thing all the way off without even thinking. Look at this thing, it's all sticky together, man. Look, I'm gonna have to break these apart to try to get this whole thing. All I need is this whole half. That's it. Because you see, this is not bad over here, as you see. Okay, I'll put these here so, you know, so it doesn't go anywhere. So I'm gonna try to finish this thing. I might have to cut it, do some ghetto thing, ghetto way, and try to patch it up. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Cause this thing, you know, it's not bad. I got, you know, I do a little cutting over here. It's not bad, but I wish I like had it still in the wrap and I started there and I unwrap it while I was going. But that wrap was too big for me to do that. So I'll see how this goes, man. I'm gonna continue this thing. Hopefully this other side turn out like this. Alright, so okay, as you see, I'm almost done. I just gotta, you see this? I messed up over here. This thing's all folded up under there. So I'm gonna cut this trim here and basically put another one, repair it over here so I can finish this off. Over here too, you see? Stopped here because I got impatient and I just cut it. Since it was all wrinkly, shit was mad annoying, but I got it smooth. I got cut the hole through here, cut the hole here, for the day running lights, the speaker, and repair this over here. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. This is the final result. As you see, it's not that great over here. I patched over here too. This is not bad, but usually you put this over it, which it's gonna look the same to me, to be honest. If you're putting this one over this one, I think it'll look the same. See this one right here, and it's pretty much it. Did everything good. Looks way better than before. All them cracks in it. Now I just gotta get a brush to, brush this thing, and that's it. Now let's put it back in the car. I'm gonna take these off, and except for the speaker, I could leave that there. I'm gonna remove this, those two, the middle, and that one, and put it back in the car. Alright, let's get it. I'm basically putting everything back together. Same way you took it out, put it back in, just reverse wise. But you see how it looks? It don't look that bad. I'm gonna give you another look after I put everything all together. Alright, so if you want to do this, it's up to you, man. Would I do this again? No. Hell no. Hell no. Unless I get a better vinyl or someone's helping me take apart the vinyl. But yeah. But anyways, let me put this back together so I can show you the final result. Okay, so this is how it looks. Doesn't look that bad, except for the error over here. But other than that, it doesn't look bad. Better than before. As you see before, it would look like this. You see that? No suede, just regular. And you see cracks and all that. But this looks way better. I know I said I was gonna do this, but I didn't have enough to do that, so I'm gonna just leave it like that. All right, this is the final one. Got this over here. You can see this right there. I should have put it a little bit lower, but whatever. It is what it is. But yeah, if you choose to do this, it's up to you. As you see, I kind of messed up over there because the way the vinyl was, well, the way I peel the vinyl, it all bunched up, and it's all, this thing is a strong ass adhesive on this, so it bunched up, and it was hard for me to actually spread it apart so I could get the whole thing, because I was using the heat gun too. It was taking forever. No, I had no patience, so I just cut it, and it looks like this. But hey, if you want to tackle this, you might do better than me, a better job. If you want to do this, go ahead. Okay, so if I helped you out, give me a like and subscribe. Later.